Your master calendar should be a complete overview of everything that you have planned for your program for the entire year. This includes dates, times, and locations for all after-school rehearsals, performances, fundraisers, trips, meetings, festivals, sports games, and anything else that you may have planned. Having all of these things set in advance gives you, your students, and your families a very clear, organized plan for the entire year. It is absolutely essential to set all calendar dates as far in advance as possible. Typically, this will be in the spring before the following school year when these events will actually take place. Discuss with your music staff and your administrators about scheduling your own school concerts for the fall, winter, and spring times of the year. Since you are planning ahead, this will give you the opportunity to decide which date and time will be best for your school, and it will allow you to secure a date and time that does not conflict with other school events. Take this time to communicate with your administrators about projected or even exact dates and times for trips, competitions, and festivals, so plans can be made for transportation depending on when they will actually take place. This is also a good time to look at projected sports game schedules to get an idea of your band's commitment to playing at those games. From there, you can start to plan your after-school rehearsals. This is especially important for middle school and high school programs that are very heavily involved in parades and marching band competitions, where extra rehearsals are imperative to put together a high-quality production. Decide if you're going to keep the same rehearsal schedule as previous years, or if you're going to modify anything. When it comes to fundraising events, having these dates and times secured will benefit you in a couple ways. First, if the event provides an opportunity for parents or guardians to volunteer and help run it, that gives families a chance to support the program in a very direct way. If families know about these events ahead of time, they will have time to decide if volunteering is something that they can actually commit to. This also allows you to connect with those families to build strong communication and rapport. And second, if you are fundraising, that means you are raising money to use for a trip or new equipment or some other big expense. If these events are planned in advance, it creates more room for outreach and getting the news shared about the event, which can result in more involvement, a stronger turnout, and a much more successful event. When your master calendar is complete, be sure to include it in your band handbook so that students and families have a copy of it to refer to during the year. Be sure to check out this video here to learn about some of the other important things to include in your handbook. There may occasionally be times when details of an event change after you send out your master calendar, so be sure to communicate this somewhere on your master calendar so families know what to expect. Even if details change later on, families are still informed and they know to plan for the event ahead of time. Being a part of a band program is a huge commitment. And when I say it's a huge commitment, I mean that it really becomes a lifestyle and a big part of the daily routine of everyone involved. When events are planned out in advance, then you, your students, and your families will have a stronger sense of security and understanding to what will be coming their way as they navigate throughout the year. It gives families the opportunity to make plans around their commitment to band events, and it reassures them of the fact that you have organized a plan for the year, which builds a level of trust between you, your students, and your families. As each event approaches throughout the year, send out reminders, itineraries, and other details to ensure that every event goes smoothly. Check out this video here to learn effective strategies to efficiently communicate information to your families. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.